Hi guys, welcome back to Mountain Mount Project. So this is a video of the chaining and raising of fence, and as you can see, this is the iron rods that are going to be installed, and these are the iron rods for the pillar. So first of all, once the iron have been constructed, the carpenter needs to construct the wood where the iron rods will be put inside, then the casting will be done. Then the pillars will be screwed in these holes which you can see. So that is why we have constructed the pillars, and we have also constructed the chaining irons. So those chaining iron rods are going to be put inside of here before the concrete is poured inside, and it has to join with the other fence also. So you can see the iron that has been prepared is being carried to the desired location. So this is what it takes to do the chaining of your fence. So now the iron have been placed inside the house which the carpenter has just constructed for the iron rod. So this iron rod is actually a 12 mm. You can decide to use 16 mm for the pillars, but to save cost, we have used 12 mm for everything, even with the pillars. We use 12 mm. So you can always tell your iron bender to use 12 mm. So after the iron rod have been installed on the day of the casting or the day before the casting, this has to be done. This is what they call tacking. This tacking is very important because without the tacking, once they pour concrete into the wood can tear off. So that is why tacking is important. And you can see this is the mixture of the concrete. That is cement, granite, and sharp sand is being mixed together to achieve the concrete. Then once the concrete is prepared, the concrete is going to be used to fill up all the holes. As you can see, concrete has been used to fill it up. So that is the process of the casting, and this is how chaining of fence is done in the swamp area. Normally in a dry land, you don't need chaining, you don't need all this. And this is why I always tell people that building in a swamp area is more expensive than building in a dry land. You can see water everywhere because it's rainy season. That's why water is everywhere. Even upon all the filling done, water is still there. So you need proper filling to make sure the water doesn't show. So this is how it looks after the wood has been removed by the carpenter. So you can see the casting is showing properly now. This is the concrete already done. Just after the wood has been removed, you can see the woods that have been removed, and you can see how the casting is gone now. So next is the laying of the blocks on top of it. So this is how it looks. Then laying of the block is the next project, and this is how it looks now. The final this is how the final looks is after putting the blocks on top, laying the blocks on top, and we have laid two coaches of block. So you can see this is how it looks, and we are still going to add maybe two more coaches to make it balanced before we put the barbed wire or the electric fence, either way. So this is how chaining and raising of fence is being done in the swamp area. Make sure to like and subscribe for more. One love.